All right, welcome everyone. We're here for our IXL video. We are doing AA.1, as you can see here, Solutions to Inequalities. I do have two special guests here with me. All right. Would you like to say hello?
Hello.
All right. Hi there, Matthew. All right, and we got another person over here.
Hello, parents, and welcome, grandmas and grandpas.
Okay, no, it's the students. This is for the students. No parents.
Hello.
Okay, all right. So what we want to keep in mind here is in this IXL, we are plugging in the information and solving it. So what they want to know is one, is it less than, and then n. But remember what they're telling you here is that n ends up equaling 6. So we're going to erase the n out, and we're going to put the 6 in place. And so we want to know if that's true or not. So Matthew, I ask you, all right, is 1 smaller than 6?
Yes.
Yes, it is. So we're going to come over, we're going to say yes, and we're going to submit it to there. There we go, we got it correct. All right. So now they're asking us, hey, we want h. We want to know, is that greater than 6? But this time for h, they're telling us to use 4. So what we're going to do is what we call substitute. Ooh, there we go. Oh, we got the wrong symbol there, don't we? Let me go back and let's erase that all together. There we go. All right, let's get back out of that now. All right, so, well, we'll color here in a little bit. Is h greater than 6? But they're telling us to plug in 4. So, Ella, let's ask you this time. Is 4 bigger than 6?
No.
Correct. It is not. 4 is smaller than 6. So there we go. We are well on our way. So that's what they kind of have you do in the first section. We're going to skip to the next level that's there. Now we have to end up plugging in all the information and checking all of them. So there may be more than one that ends up working here. So we're dealing with the inequality here. Ooh, fancy math word, Matthew. Can you say that? Inequality. There we go. Is 2 going to be smaller than what we plug in? So the first thing they want us to do is plug in a 9. So Matthew, is 2, is that less than 9? Yes, it is. So we're going to select it as one of them. Now what we're going to end up doing is instead of using the 9, they want us to try the 2. So is 2, is it smaller than 2? Ella, is 2 smaller than 2?
Yes.
Oh, it's not. It's not smaller, Matthew. It's
Equal.
it's equal. So that's not going to work. I know. It's okay. We're going to work through this here, Ella. So because it's the same size, it's not smaller. So we will not check that particular one. All right. So let's see what the next one is. They want us to try 8. So we're going to plug in 8 and see if it works. So Ella, let's try this one now. Is 2 smaller than 8? Is 2 smaller than 8?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Very good. So we will select that one. All right. And then we've got one more that we have to end up checking here. You ready for this, Matthew? The last one is 5. So, Matthew, we ask you, is 2, is that smaller than?
Yes.
Yes, it is. So we're going to select that one as well. Submit, and we've done a great job. So just make sure you're plugging in all of them to check them. All right. For this last group, we have to do a little bit of work for it first. So they want us to see, hey, is 33, is that greater than when we do, sorry, I've got a not a drippy pen. I've got a 4-year-old climbing on me right now. It's making it a little bit difficult to read. Ella, what's going on? Yeah, all right. Let's get back to the pens here. All right. No more giggles here, guys. All right. Then we do 54 and we divide it by, and then we're going to plug in a new person every time. So the first thing they want us to do is they want us to plug in 9. All right. So what I need to do is I need to do the math problem first. 54 divided by 9, well, that's 6. So what we want to know is 33, is that greater than 6? Matthew, is 33 greater than 6?
Yes.
Yes, it is. So this is going to end up working. Now they want me to plug in 3. So what we're going to end up doing here is erasing the 9 out, and we're going to plug in the 3. We're going to see, hey, what is 54 divided by 3? Now, if you do want to do a YouTube calculator, it is IXL. You can certainly have it off to the side there. All right. Matthew, oh, that looks interesting, doesn't it? Yeah, 54 divided by 3. I wonder what that's going to be. All right. How about 18? All right. So is 33, Matthew, is that greater than 18? Is it, Ella? Yes, it is. 33 is greater than. So that one's going to, oh, you did say yes. Okay. So now we're going to try a 2 in there. So again, we're going to go ahead. We're going to take out 2. All right. And we're going, I'm sorry, we're going to plug in the 2. We're going to do the division problem. 54 divided by 2, that gives me 27. So Matthew, is 33 greater than 27?
No, it's equal.
No. 33 is bigger than 27. How could 33 be equal to 27?
Oh, I thought you said 33 and 33.
Oh, no. I said is 33 is greater than 27. It is, so we're going to select that one. And then we got one more we need to check, which is the number 1 that's in there. So we're going to plug in our 1. 54 divided by 1 is 54. So Ella, come on over here. Let's try one more, last one. Oh, I guess we lost Ella. Matthew, let's try one last one. Oh, you're back. Is 33, is that bigger than 54?
Yeah, no.
No, it's not. It is smaller, so that's not going to be the one that we're going to select. So we're going to use those 3, and we've got it there. All right. So just get ready to plug in some of the information. Remember, the goal is to get yourself up to an 85. All right, Matt, Alice, say goodbye to everyone.